I hope you all are fine. And this video about cause and effect in English. Okay, so let's get into the video. So, what is cause and effect? Cause and effect is the relationship between events or things which is happening in our life where one is the result of the other or others. Okay, this is the combination of both action and reaction. Okay, so each and every cause has an action and the effect is the reaction. So let's see what is it telling about in our day-to-day life and what is happening in our life. Okay, okay. So first example is we received 7 inches of rain in 4 hours. Okay, so what happened after that? The underpass was flooded. Because of this 7 hours of continuous rain, the underpass was flooded. That is what is explained in the first example. So you can see here clearly the first example, we received 7 inches of rain in 4 hours. So what happened because of that? The underpass was flooded. It's understood. Okay. I never brush my teeth. So what happened? I have 5 cavities. Okay. And smoking cigarettes that causes lung cancer. It's understood. Many buffalo were killed. Buffalo almost became extinct. Okay. So there is no buffaloes or buffaloes density is getting reduced. Okay, the streets were snow packed and icy. It means that the streets were snow. It's covered with snow. It is packed with ice. Okay. Okay. Cars needed more time to stop. Cars needed more time to stop. He broke his arm. So what happened? The doctor put it in a cast. The boss was busy. Her secretary took a message. Because of the boss busy, the secretary took a message. Okay. A basketball player was traveling. Okay. So what happened? The referee called a penalty. I flipped the light switch on. So when I put the switch on, the light is on. Okay. So through this, you would have understood. So each and every reaction has a answer. Okay, and another two more also there. An oil spill, so many deaths to wildlife. Because of oil spill, many deaths caused for wildlife. Sedentary lifestyle causes childhood obesity. Okay, let's get into the examples in sentences. Okay, so when water is heated, the molecules move quickly. So what will happen? Therefore the water boils. Okay, when the water is heated, the molecules, the present in the water, it moves very fastly. So therefore the water is getting boiled. The tornado blew the roof of the house, and as a result the family had to find another place to live because they have no other place to go. Okay, because the alarm was not set, we were late for work. Because of this alarm, you are late for work. The moon has gravitational pull. Consequently, the oceans have tides. Because of this gravitational pull, the oceans have heavy tides. Okay. And since school was cancelled, we went to the mall. There is no school, so we went to the mall. John made a rude comment, so Ellis hit him. Because of this rude comment of John, Ellis hit him. Okay. When the ocean is extremely polluted, coral reefs die. Because of the ocean gets polluted, the coral reefs are getting died. Okay, the meal was ordered was cheaper than expected, so we ordered a dessert. So already you have ordered a meal which is very cheaper, so again you have ordered a dessert. Since helium rises, a helium balloon floats. Because helium is getting raised, a helium balloon is floating. Okay. There has been an increase in greenhouse gases, therefore global warming is happening. Because of greenhouse gases, global warming is happening in the world. Betty completed each task perfectly, therefore she was promoted. She has done her task very perfectly, so she has promoted. So here you can see therefore. There has been an increase in greenhouse gases, therefore global warming is happening. Okay. I think the same examples are getting repeated, so you can neglect this. Some believe dinosaurs died out because a large meteor hit the earth. Some believe, okay, some people believe that dinosaurs are died because a meteor hit the